Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a game from Epic Games Store. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is open your Epic Games Store, then make sure that you are logged in inside your account. As you can see, I am already logged in. Now what you have to do is just simply go over to your library and then just simply choose the game that you want to install. So in my case, I'm going to install GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto 5. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply click on the game over here, and then this type of box will pop up in front of you. Now over here, just simply choose the folder where you want to install the game. Now make sure to install the game in a folder where you will have decent amount of space, because if you look down over here, you will be able to see how much space it is required to get that particular game. So in this case, in GTA 5, it will require about 109 GB. So I need a different storage. So just simply click on browse over here and choose a better storage over here. So I'm going to choose this folder over here, and over here I'm going to choose this folder. Now you can create a new folder if you want to, and then click on select folder. And after that, if you want your game to be automatically updated, make sure to check this box over here, and if you want a shortcut on your desktop, make sure to check this box as well. And then in the end, all you have to do is click on install, and the installation will start automatically. And as you can see, the installation have begun. So you can click on this page, or you can click on this download option over here to see how much is installed or what is the progress. As you can see right now, it have just begun, and you will find the downloading speed right over here, and how much downloading have been completed, you will find it right over here. So depending on the size of the game, the download time might vary. So it will take some time for GTA 5 over here, and when it is downloaded, you will find the shortcut right over here on the desktop, and then if you want, you can just play it from there, and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.